Them don't arrest IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Hey, this one surprised me. Oga, abeg, why your head come big pass your body for this? Una sure say no before touch up now be this one. But as we dey gather this story, una know the time where government decide say they won't ban Twitter and other wahala. Say make people enter Nigeria come register. And I know see that period now, all these Oyinbo UN people come land inside Nigeria. For that meeting, make na keep for this one, I remember what they give. For that meeting, and there they discuss say, if these Oyinbo people give them Nnamdi Kanu, they go comot the Twitter ban. It be like saying, waiting down the shell for here be this one. Because this man, I sure say this man they invisible. And I know since when they don't find this man. They don't find this man since they no come see him now they come see this. This one not be rumor. As he be like this, the Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, Abina Malami, he don't confirm and say this one a true matter. Say the thing don't happen. My people beg, making a follow me watch.
Recent steps taken by the federal government so to the intersection of the fugitive Kanu on Sunday, the 27th day of June 2021. Nnamdi Kanu was born on the 25th September 1967 at Aproko, Abia State, Nigeria, and indeed a holder of Nigerian passport number AO 805136827, first issued on the 17th October 2013 at first time.
When I don't hear what this man talk, he don't confirm and say this one not true. And they arrest this man because of say what they say all the violence where they happen for southwest, I mean southeast. Say now this man nine be the leader of this katakata where they happen. Person we know they Nigeria, they say nine be the leader. This one they show me say it means say Nigerian government they get the power to arrest anybody. Even all these bandits, they look them. They look and say, making a day shine. Now on that time, the day where they go pounce on them, it means that they go carry these people. But this leader now where they arrest, they won't arrest this man in style. Fendi. If they say already plan and make and dress, prepare. If they won't arrest me, say I go shine for Twitter, I mean for online, people go see me. But I hope say this one no go cause war. I hope say katakata no go constant. Because now those all this time IPOB member. Before we go here now, people don't gather. Or everybody don't come as I say, war won't happen. People never ready to fight war. People never even get the strength. The one where they happen inside Nigeria, we just the manager. So I beg, we don't want any kind of war, be fight again, make it come because of this whole matter. As they don't arrest and I don't know what they won't do. They are in jail, I mean, where they won't carry and go. But I beg, hope say, not be because of say, one kind to say terror. Terror is when they happen since. Since when this man no day, now all these kinds is when they happen. For those of una we no even know as they tell arrest this man, not be for Nigeria because most of una they talk say, you know they Nigeria, this one na rumor. Now for the abroad, that UK there, now they catch them. You know say they know say these UN people be the Interpol, they know say they fit get access to this man, but they keep him. So as they negotiate with these people now there they can't release this man. So now for there now they arrest him before they can't carry this man enter Nigeria. But this man we don't enter Nigeria like I hope say wahala no go shele. Because me I don't already they prepare because if wahala make a run, jackpot come out too. Because I know say Igbo people and they go down the boy. People where they support this man get sponsors, ain't get family. People go down the even show don't come outside they talk say and made a release person black person say they call person pot. This kind of matter it surprised me. My people I hear this one. Of course make a bring and come making a service in ear. Hear waiting they happen. Make not forget to like and also share this video. Then anything when I think, make not forget to write down for the comment section. I go see you on for our next video.